If you're working a full-time job right now and you're feeling stuck and you're fed up of seeing the bank balance just go down and down and down after nursery fees, huge food bills, fuel, all of these expenses that you need to live, and at the end of it there's nothing left, but you're looking into property but you think property investing is reserved for people that have got a lot of money or at least £50,000 to invest, or if you think they've got rich parents, then this video is for you. Because you do not need to own property to make money from them. You control them, and that is the way the future is going. They're even driving so hard now for you to not to be able to afford to buy a house. So why don't you just skip that part of decades of saving and get straight into controlling. So in this 8-part training video, I'm going to show you exactly how I went from a factory worker of 13 years with no property experience whatsoever to earning £2,500 a month from 3 separate properties that I didn't own, all in under 90 days. And if you don't believe me, it's all documented on my YouTube. You can absolutely go and see it. But this isn't just me, it's people in real life situations, single parents, firemen, people working double shifts. Now these people are making £1,000 to £3,000 a month just by following the exact same strategy that you're about to learn. So before we get into it, let me be clear. This is not buy to let. You do not need a mortgage or deposits or solicitors or accountants to get going. This isn't crypto or any other side hustle bullshit or any get rich quick scheme. This is called rent to rent. And if you stick with me for the whole playlist, I'll walk you through exactly what it is, how it works, the 4 strategies, and how to get your first deal in under 90 days, even if you're completely new and you're starting from scratch. So click this next video and let's get straight into it.